With Patrick again. So welcome to the second video on the series of videos in which I present a Q-Learning implementation for playing automatically the dice game of Yum. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to demonstrate the program, how it runs, how it operates. So I'm just going to share my screen here. There we go. And this is all in Python 3. And right, so we're going to just straight get to it and initiate the program. And so what's going to happen is that so it's just a text interface, and we're going to be displaying every turn. And so the dice, we're going to see the dice as they get rolled randomly by a random number generator, and we're going to step through the execution just by pressing enter at every step of the game, so that we can see what's going on. And so what the agent is doing is that he has to decide which dice to keep from one roll to the next, and he has, at the end of the turn, he has to decide where to score the hand, in which category. Okay, so here we've got, the game has started already. We've got 2 1s, 2 and 5 and 6. And let's see what the agent has decided to keep the 6. And now, so he re-rolled everything but the 6, and we ended up with 3 3s, a 5 and a 6. Now, okay, so now he's switching to keeping the 3s instead. And we've got, as luck would have it, we've got 5 of a kind here. We've got 5 3s, and so we're off to a great start. He's scoring 30 in the Yum category because he's got 5 of a kind. Okay, so moving on to the next turn, we've got the dice there as shown, keeping the 6 again, and we've got now 2 2 3 4 6, keeping the 6 again. We're ending the hand. We're ending the turn with this hand here: 3 4 5 5 and 6. Scoring 23 in the low, so that's what 11. Sorry about that. Sorry, 16, 20, 23. Yes, sorry about that. I was just making sure that that total was right. So the sum of the dice here, 3 4 5 5 6. It's 23 indeed. So that's scoreable in the low. Moving on to the next turn: 1 3 4 5 and 6, keeping the 6. And now, so we re-rolled, and we have 1 1 4 5 6, and now he's deciding to keep the 2 1s there. And now we're at the end of the hand, and we've got at the end of the turn we have 1 1 3 3 6, scoring 2 in the 1s. Okay, not too exciting. Next turn: 1 3 3 4 6, keeping the 3s. 1 3 3 5 6, keeping the 3s again. And now we've got 2, and we've got 3 3s and a 5, scoring 9 in the 3s. Okay, next turn. Now we've got 3 3 and 3 6s. And so you see here, he's not even bothering to use his 2 rerolls that he's allowed. He's right away saying that, okay, I'm happy with this 3 3 and 6 6 6, and I'm going to score that in the full. So that's the end of this turn. Now we've got, again, we have a lot of 3s again. 3 3s, a 5 and a 6, and this time he's keeping this lone 6 that we got there. And now we've got 1 3 5 5 6, keeping the 5s this time around. And then we're ending the turn, and we've got 3 5s there. We've got a 2 and a 3, scoring 15 in the category 5s. All right, so now we have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so all right, so 1 2 3 4 5. Again, he didn't want to use his next reroll, and he scored that directly in the straight. Okay, great. So now, just taking a quick look here, we've got 2s left, we've got 4s left, 6s, and the high. Okay. All right, so this turn now, turn number 8, 1 2 2 3 5, keeping the 2s. Now we've got 3 2s, a 6 and a 1, keeping the 2s again. And now we're ending the turn with 3 2s, a 5 and a 1, scoring 6 in the 2s. Okay, so next turn now, 1, 1, 3, 4, 6, keeping the 6. Not too much great stuff happened there. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, keeping the 6 again. Now we're ending the turn with a dice as shown there, 3, 3, 4, 6, 6. So unfortunately, that's kind of too bad because that didn't qualify as a high. And yeah, so he's scratching the high at this turn. Okay, and so but you see the 6s were available to score, but he figured at the end of this turn that he only had 2 6s, and that was not really enough, you know, to make it worthwhile to score in the 6s. Okay, so let's see if that can be improved. So we've got only the 4s left and the 6s left. Okay. Now, okay, so the dice are with us this turn. We've got 3 6s. So fortunately, the agent is deciding to keep the 6s. Now we have 3 again, keeping those 3 6s. And now we're ending the turn with 4 6s. And he's scoring a big 24 in the 6s. Okay, that's great. And so we're at the last turn that we got only the 4s left. And we've got, okay, we're starting with 1 4. And thankfully, the agent is making the decision to keep that lone 4. And whoa, now all of a sudden we've got, so we re-rolled and we've got 4 4s. Okay, so keeping the 4s, and we're ending the turn with, we got 4 4s here and scoring 16 in the 4s. And okay, so now we're at the end of the game. And if we take a look at the score sheet here, it went quite well. The one thing I always look at first is the bonus. Did we get the bonus, yes or no? So here, yes, we had 25. So that means that above the line here, categories 1 through 6s, we have at least 63. And we were fortunate enough to get the yum, and we got the straight and the full. We got both of those, and the low. Unfortunately, we lucked out here on the high. But so this game here, 200, that's a very good score. And yeah, so those decisions were all made by the agent. The agent decided which dice to keep, and at the end of each turn, he decided where to score the hand. All right, so that's going to be the end of this video. And in subsequent videos, I'm going to want to start getting in the code itself. And we've got lots of things actually that we can talk about and discuss in this program. So, okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for your attention.